Good morning, everybody, and finally here we are back, and we will continue. What the hell? I think the title is wrong right now. Let me even check that. But we will continue to learn better auth right now. Title is definitely wrong, so I will have to make that right. But let me get that thing done too very soon. But even before that, let me start the barrier so that I can use the same mouse for my laptop as well. Okay, it's working right now. And once this particular thing is done, let me open Firefox. I'll be getting the things done there. Alrighty, apart from this particular thing, just a minute, let me stop sharing the screen for a while. And inside this I have nothing. Delete this. This as well, this as this as well, 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 and this as well, and this as well. Sorry, I deleted a photo. Can't I get that back? No results are found. Okay, fine. Did I delete any photo? Not really. Yeah, I think. Not really. Empty it. Alrighty, nothing else. Let me share it again. It's gonna be fun anyway. At least this live is gonna be for an hour. After that, I may be busy doing something, or maybe it could be more than 1 hour. Depends on the work I get. I hope I'm not gonna be getting at least till 7. That means I can just continue to study. Having said that, I will have to change the title and all. Meanwhile, I can actually open this better auth related stuff. I will try to get everything done on my own without taking the help, like just take with the help of the documentation. But let's see what happens, exactly how I'm gonna be doing that. Okay, talking about the things that I've covered so far. So these are just the secrets and all. Unauthorized. Where was I working? I don't even know. Interesting. It's actually been 2 days. This is the second day. After a day's gap, I came back here. And the title is authentication with the passport. I'll have to change that for sure. So let me even, wow, so there's a person in the early morning. Good morning, buddy. I don't know who you are, but yeah, good morning to you. First of all, let me change the title should be better auth, just like this. And day 81, fine, save it, and that is it. Let's continue from here on, and I will have to find the file that I was working on. Come on, I was working with somebody. Sign up was done, then sign in was done, reset password was not done. Was it done? Forget about the reset password. I was working on verify email and all. So that verify section is gonna be somewhere here, main, then verify email, and page.tsx. Inside that I have this verification button, and just below that I have this particular thing, recent verification, and I had to continue from here on. Okay, as expected, let's continue. So even for that thing, I have to open better auth documentation, and let's continue from here on. Why not? It's gonna be great. Get started. And the next thing that I actually have to do is send a verification. So let me even run it and check the result, exactly how the things are going on. So npm run dev will simply start it, but even before that, docker process status, nothing is running. Docker psa and docker install and postgresdb. I'm gonna be starting that mainly because in my environment variable I have my postgresdb, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, better auth db. So I do have my postgresdb, and that's what I'm gonna be using over here. Okay, fine, good to know. How many things I have inside this? I have better auth secret. This recent API secret, I will have to revoke it, but for now this is fine. Apart from this particular thing, you can continue from here on. So the next thing that I actually have to focus on, that is resending the verification email. That's fine. So this is gonna be the part. And over here what I'll be doing, once I click on this particular button, an email should be resent. Having said that, I am actually getting the email as a prop over here. So I'm getting the email from this side, and I have the email this side because I'm actually verifying the user, whether that is the user or not. Easy peasy, yeah, seems to be. And once I got the user, I'm actually just sending the email in the props. Once the email is sent in the props, so I have the email available over here. Using that particular email, I have to just get the things done. Ultimately, I have to send the verification email. For sending the verification email, let's see how it's done. For sending the verification email, go to get started, introduction, not these ones. Go to authentication, email and password. Inside this, click on email verification, and let's see how the email is sent. So for email verification, you will have to create a function that I've already done. Require email verification. For requiring that, you can do it like this. Triggering manual email verification, that's what we want. For triggering manual verification, await auth client send verification. Provide the email address. Provide the redirect URL after verification. Got that? So let's see whether that's what we are doing or not. So callback URL was not here, so send verification email is fine. As for the callback URL, what was there? Just /homepage, and over here I want to redirect the user to the /email verified email or something. What was the page name of the page? Verify email is the first. Email verified, yeah. So the page name was email verified, just like this. So I will be redirected to this particular page, and once I'm redirected, that's it. But even before that, once I clicked on send verification email, set is loading is actually gonna be true, and what else? Okay, I'll have to check the result of that. Apart from that thing, set error is actually gonna be null, and just like this, just below this, I will be having set error if there is any error. So first of all, I'll have to even check it whether there is any error or not. How will I get the error from here? Will I have to use a try catch block or something? First of all, I'm facing the network issue, that is for sure. Let me make it better. At least now I should not be facing the same network issue. It should be fine. Okay, turns out it's going to be fine. Apart from this particular thing, I can just simply continue. So first of all, I actually have to just simply log the result that I just get. Okay, and apart from this particular thing, I don't really need to worry about anything else. So let's simply log the result and see exactly what I get. For checking that, I hope the server is already running. No, not running. npm run dev. Now it's running fine. And now as it is running, I can click on localhost 3000. It's gonna simply open the home page, or maybe I'm already logged in. No, not logged in. I can sign in again, and this time I have to enter my password. So I hope password is the PASSWORD@1234. I'm not sure, but I hope this is the one. Invalid email or password. Let's even check. I have the data on my database. Let's forget about even signing in. Let's simply sign up with a new password. So sign up, and I have to sign up with a demo email. So demo@gmail.com. Password is gonna be PASSWORD@1234. Similarly over here, PASSWORD@1234. Just like this. Create an account. Sign up successful. You are on the login page. You can enter the demo email again, and you can enter your password. So PASSWORD@1234. Remember me is optional over here. If you don't provide it, so that's of course not gonna be available. That means the browser will not remember you, the session will not be saved and all. So let's click on remember me, and let's click on login. email not verified. Okay, email not verified. Turns out that they are actually asking me to verify my email. Let's look at the code that I have written. Come on. The code that I have actually written in my lib, in my auth.ts file, I'm specifically saying that email is going to be required. That thing I want to disable. Auto sign in is fine, but I wanted to disable this particular thing. Okay, right now if I just try to sign in again, it should not be giving me that problem. So PASSWORD@1234. Let's click on remember me and let's click on login. Wait for a while. User signed in successfully. I should be redirected, and I am redirected. What is the next thing? The next thing is that as my email is not verified, so I can even check that for sure. Inside secrets, I'm gonna be using better auth DB. Inside this I have my schema. Inside this I have many tables, and I will be checking the user table over here. For checking the user table, I will be just simply getting the info from that, and this is what it is. So right now email verified is false, and these are the users anyway. Got that? Yes, got that. Okay, what else can I do over here? Interesting question. The next thing can actually be verifying the email, so let's click on verify email. By the way, I first of all signed in and then I signed up, so email should be sent to my email 2 times, and the email that I was using, that was 1@gmail.com. that means I'm gone in the sense no email as such exists. That simply means I have to delete everything. So delete from users first of all, just user. I hope it's gonna work. Turns out it's not gonna work, so I have to make it a public.user, just like this. Now it's gonna work. First thing is done. Second, I have to delete all the sessions, so sessions are gonna be deleted. Third, I have to delete the account, so account is going to be deleted. Fourth, I'm gonna be deleting the verification related stuff, and that stuff is also going to be deleted. Fine. Apart from this particular thing, I don't really need to do anything else. I'm just simply gonna be getting my result, a user result back. Right now there are no users, that's fine. What I can actually do right now is to simply go here, reload the page, and I should be redirected to the home page because of course I'm not signed in. There is no user as such. Then the next thing, I can click on sign up. I can click on this unstoppable and one audiobook Gmail. Password can be anything. Password @1234 and PASSWORD password @1234, just like this. Let's click on create an account. Well, password do not match. That's bad. That should be email when the signing up, and email should be verified when signing in. That is right. And then this particular thing, disable sign in, because if it's true you will be signed in after sign up, because you are sending a verification email to the user, that will trigger auto sign in unless you make it false. Because I'm sending in case I don't wanna be signed in directly. Okay, that's fine, because I'm that is why I've written all these comments over here, so that it's actually easy to just figure the things out. A password that's gonna be enabled, auto sign in is gonna be false because I'm making it false. That means I will not be signed in automatically. Apart from this particular thing, there's nothing extra that I'm actually using over here. Fine. So the next thing that I can actually do, first of all, I can check whether the email has been sent to my email or not. One audiobook. Let me do one more thing. I had many emails over here, but I don't have them now. So what I can actually do, that click on more accounts, click on add account, and let's add Vipendra 333. I hope I remember the password. I'm not sure about this particular thing, so let's even check that particular thing. Oh, turns out it will ask for my number. That's okay. India. It is just merely for the verification code or what? Fine, not really big problem. That simply means that I'll have to open my mobile and enter the password again over here. Fine, not a problem. Okay, I should be getting the password. Got that. Let's simply click on next. Keep the mobile there somewhere so that it's actually no thanks. Okay, second email is actually here. Lastly, one more email I need to have here, and that's gonna be, these are the emails that I can actually use quite frequently, so that is why I need to have them. I need to have many of them, not just one of them. Second, next one is gonna be coding the code 999@gmail.com, just like this. I hope I remember the password of this one as well. It's gonna be hard, but why am I showing the password? I hope it is right. Yeah, definitely it is right. I'm gonna be skipping the address from here, and not now. Everything else is okay. Once this particular thing is done, get more. Arey na re baba. Apart from this particular thing, I'm gonna be actually adding more. The more the better. What else can I add? This one is added, this one is added, this one is added, this one is added. Not this one is not added. Do I remember the password of this one? Don't know. Gonna be a guess. Wrong. Interesting. This one is also right. Skip it. No thanks. So ultimately these many IDs I have right now. I need to have one more, that one as well. Well, there's no specific reason to have that because that does not really make any sense. But I can still have that. This is the one I'm talking about. Like the storage is completely full on this one, so check your phone. Poco M65G. Come on. So much to do. Alrighty, even this thing got done. Lastly, I have one more thing, and that's gonna be, I need to have these many Gmails. I just keep using them somewhere or the other. So 917 is done. This is the last one that I need to use. I hope I will be able to figure the things out, the password and all. Wrong password. Alright. Luckily it is right. Never expected. Alrighty, I'm back. And now I can just simply go through the main account. And that's gonna be one audiobook. Click on Gmail. And I'm not getting, I should be checking my spam. And once checked the spam, I didn't even get anything here. Bad, right? I'm not able to send the emails. Interesting. Why is this happening? Sending the emails. So send on sign up true, send on sign in true, auto sign in verification true, this true. So why am I facing this? Let's sign in this time using the same email, and the password is gonna be the same, of course. And 234. Let's click on remember me. Let's click on login. Invalid password. Yeah, @ is missing. Come on. One more thing. Why does it keep just keep loading? So let's go to the login page. Login in the sense sign in page that I have to go to. So when it comes to this, so that's gonna be this particular one, sign in form. and over here my component that simply keeps loading. By default it is false, and then whenever I'm signing in it becomes true, and call it good thing, call it bad thing, it never becomes false. So set loading is gonna be false over here, and set error is gonna be null. If there is an error I will be even setting the error. So overall these are the things that I'm actually, one thing was missing, and because of that thing it just simply keeps loading and all. Let's click on that particular thing again. Let's enter any wrong password, click on remember me, I will log in, and I'll get invalid email, and this button came back. Okay, that's what I wanted. Let's enter the right password @1234. I can click on login of course, and I should be logged in. So here we are, and the thing is that I hope the email is sent this time. Let's see. Not really, I didn't get the email. That simply means the API that I have, that is not working right. I should be getting some kind of error on the backend side. I'm not getting any error, especially when I'm sending the email inside my lib. Even before that, yeah, I do have email inside my lib. So if I go here and resend.ts, so I'm just simply creating the client from here. Once I have that, then I have my helper send the email. I'm getting my resend over here. I'm getting all these things, and after that I'm just simply sending the error. Sending the email from here. If there is any error, I'm just simply logging that. Logging in the sense that should be logged in on the client side. Let's do one thing. One more thing I have to work on, that is the logout functionality. But if the email is not being sent, that is mainly because I have revoked the, just a minute, reload the page. I have revoked one thing, and that is the API key of the resend. I have to check that whether that is revoked or not. But let me give it a try one more time, and then I will check that. One more time in the sense, same email, PASSWORD@1234. Click on remember me, click on sign in. Will I get something here? I did get something, but what was that? It was so quick that I didn't even know, but I definitely got something here. And maybe that was the error that I'm not getting here. What I can do, if there is any error, I will be just logging the error. Not only that, I'm gonna actually be using toast. So toast dot error, and I will say error sending the email or verify email, just like this. Same thing I will be doing here too, so that I actually know about whether I got the error or not. Then I can check the log values, and if error actually succeeds, if everything goes right, that means in else case I can say toast dot error verify email link sent, verify email sent successfully. Just like this, now I will be able to check it even better. Same thing, but different approach. Let me clear the cookies. Of course I need to clear that. Once it is cleared, if I reload the page, I should be logged out automatically, because of course there is no cookie. I will have to enter the same thing. Come on, not the same thing, not this thing, again the same thing, and PASSWORD@1234. Let's click on remember me, and let's click on login. Let's see what happens. Because of the transitioning of the page, I'm not even able to see that particular message. Interesting. But email is definitely not being sent. But the question is simple. it's okay if the email is not being sent. Why am I not getting? I am getting the error. The thing is that as soon as I get the error, I'm redirecting the user and I'm replacing the whole history path. Let me even check that. So as soon as user is verified, let's go to where resend email, right? But even before that, where am I? How am I even sending it? It is automatically called. And if I go to my lib, just here, auth.ts, this is a function that I have defined. So email verification, send verification, user URLs, email to URL name and verify email. That is it, nothing else. Send on sign up, sign in, auto sign in, expires in, everything's fine. And the only thing that can be problem that is the environment variable. But even if this a key is the problem, why am I not getting a proper error? That is the bigger problem. I'm not being notified that email could not be sent. I should be getting notified, right? So if I actually have a look over here, and if there is any error, then I'm gonna be logging this. So let's do one thing. I'm already logging the error. CLG error, sending the error, I'm logging it. And if it is actually getting logged, then why am I not seeing anything here? Interesting, yeah. Let's do one thing, log something else. Log something else in the sense CLG, forget about this even, because I'm gonna be having just two conditions over here. Either there can be error, or then there can be no error. So I will be just logging that verify email sent success. Maybe it's getting sent successfully, but the API key is not right, and because of that thing I'm getting this issue. Let's restart one more time and let's check exactly. Now I should definitely get something or the other. In order to check that, I will reload my page. Of course I will keep stay signed in. I will stay signed in, yeah, I will, because the API key is here, and not API key, rather cookies are here. Let's remove the cookies, reload the page. Let's click on sign in right now, enter the same thing, and this time everything should be clear. PAWS WOID add there to 1234. Click on remember me, click on sign in, and I got that pop-up for a while. My what is that called? That thing is actually called toast notification, but that was just for few seconds, and after that it went away. I will fix that, but I'm not getting anything. Why is this behaving like this? If there's any error, I'm toasting this. That means it is definitely running. It is running, right? And this is the function that I'm using, send email, and that is of course the helper. And let's even forget about this thing. Let's click on verify email. Okay, resend verification email. Okay, this must have been sent, and I got it now. Kya baat hai? So what am I missing then? I got the email when I clicked on resend verification email, and I got it 2 times because of course I clicked on that 2 times. So I'm getting it here, but by default when I sign in at that time I don't get it. Having said that, in my ultimately API key is not wrong. Auth.ts, send on sign up true, send on sign in true. All these things are gonna be here just like that. Auto sign in is gonna be false. Is this playing some role over here? Auto sign in. If I remove it, the user is going to be signed in automatically, but the email is never ever getting sent. Email verification, send on sign up, auto sign in after verification. that is okay. Expires in, let's see if even verification is working or not. So this is the email that I actually got. I can click on this and I'm redirected, email verified, go to dashboard, and right now I'm not getting. So email verification is working fine. The only problem is that while signing up and signing in, email is not getting sent. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, it was working fine. The only change I did over here, that I added this particular part. Don't know what's the reason behind this right now. If I knew, I could have solved it earlier. Let's try it one more time. This time I will actually be using another account, and that another account is gonna be recent verification email. Come on, I'm gonna be checking it anyway. I mean, making it better. But before that, I wanna make sure that why is the email not getting sent. Reload the page. Signing. Mainly I'm gonna be signing up. Even I have to use like signing with Google and all. I will be doing that, but first of all, let me fix this problem, right? Why am I not able to, not this email, yeah. Let's use something like coding the code, this one, and PAWSWORD @1234, just like this. PAWSWORD @1234. Let's click on create an account. Password do not match. Interesting. This is crazy. 1. Create an account. Account has been created and I'm redirected. Because I have clicked auto signed in first, that is why. Oh, what is this? Toast error. Source helpers send email, console error, toast error, email will okay. Unhandled rejection. Toast error is not function. Where am I getting the toast from? When it comes to the toast, auth.ts, and I'm not even using the toast here, rather in the helpers, send helpers, and this is the toast that I have. And question is, where am I getting it from? I'm getting it from Sonar. So if I'm actually getting it from Sonar, so what is the problem? Toast error. This is just a okay, it happens only on the client side, it doesn't work on the server side. That's fine. I'm gonna be removing it from here, mainly because this particular thing, toast, will only work on the but before that it was working, but that may have been some other in the sense I must be using an email while like a toast while signing in. So let's even check that thing out. Sign in, let's click on this. Am I using toast over here? Yeah, I am using toast over here. That was the toast that I was getting over there. So the simple solution could be just removing it, and the reason is that this is actually a function, an send email function, and this is being used by next auth side, and it does not know about it, so it is simply throwing me the error. That's even fine. I can get rid of this, and now I can try to run it again, and let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, let me do one thing before anything else. I'm gonna be working on this sign out button so that I can actually sign out easily. Okay, so before getting anything else done over here, I should be going to my nav bar, if I'm not wrong. This is the one. Display logged in user. Okay, I will be displaying logged in user later. The only thing that I want, that is gonna be the user drop down. Let's click on this. Render real user info. I will be rendering that later on. Right now the only thing that I want, that is handle admin item. Not okay, even not this one. Admin item, sign out. This is where I have to just work on. Handle sign out. How will I be handling sign out? So const, let's even check that thing, how the sign out is handled. Just to handle the sign out in a better auth, you have to click on this. This is gonna be the function that is on the client side as well as on the server side. And now we have to check which side are we on. It must be server side if I'm not wrong. No, it is actually a client side. If it is the client side, then we'll have to use the logic of the client side, of course. So let's go here, click on client side. This is gonna be the logic, and let's simply auth sign out. It'll just directly work. So just here, await auth client client. I will be importing it dot sign out just like this, and this should be enough. Okay, and once this actually got done, after that router dot push, I will be once I signed out, I will even replacing everything. So replace and to the home page, or maybe not dashboard, to the home page only, and this should be fine. Yeah, this should be fine. Let's I can even redirect to the sign in page so that it's easier to just get the things done from there. Nothing else. Let's try this thing out. Bhai, what a dedication. No, it's just normal dedication. it's nothing actually, even compared to the things people are doing. So I'm just trying to just do my level best. But thanks a lot for the appreciation. How are you? So this thing got done. Routed or replaced, I will be redirected or replaced. The whole history will be replaced and I'll be redirected to the sign in page. Let's see whether this sign out button is working right now or not, because it was a big problem. Reload the page. I hope it should start working fine. Why it's taking time? Mainly because it is compiling fine. भाई क्या कर रहे हो भाई? अभी हम बेटर ऑथ का यूज कर रहे हैं. बेटर ऑथ का यूज करके एक प्रॉपर ऑथेंटिकेशन सिस्टम का यूज करके, मेनली फोकस ऑथेंटिकेशन पे है, तो प्रॉपर ऑथेंटिकेशन यूज करने में, उसको अप्लाई करने पे फोकस कर रहे हैं. लेट्स क्लिक ऑन द साइन आउट बटन. As soon as I clicked on the sign out button, the cookie got removed from here and I am redirected to this particular page. At least sign out is working, so अब आसान रहेगा login and sign out करने पे. But having said that, the main problem was that the email was being sent. So if I just simply come here, reload the page. So ultimately, let's sign in and check whether I'm actually going to get the email or not. So even for that thing, I will have to with another account. So let's click on sign up and enter any name. Email is gonna be let's empty it. I don't wanna empty the database. Which email I have over here? That is why I just have many emails over here. Weapon sync button 333. Let's use this one so that I don't have to empty my database over and over. In order to do that, I'm gonna be coming back here. I'm gonna be just entering 333 over here. So 123, and as for the password, they are gonna be just the same: PASSWORD @1234 and PASSWORD @1234. The question is, will the email be sent this time? Bigger question, nice question. Email successful, that's fine. I'm getting this user signed up successful. And am I getting the, turns out I am facing the network issue right now and it's been resolved, so that's fine. Let's see. No way, didn't get the error. Spam. I did get the email, but the thing is that I can click on this and I can verify myself. That's fine. Once I sign in, what will happen? Once I sign in, let me log out. Okay, I can click on sign in. I can use the same email in the sense that's not even here. So let's use 333 here, 123, and I can just enter the password PASSWORD @1234. Let's click on remember me as well so that it remembers me. Login. It will log me in. That's fine. Even I have the cookie and all. I can go here and I can check whether I got the one more email or not. And turns out no. While signing in, I'm not getting the email. Let's click on inbox it. Reload it. And I should be getting that. Why is this misbehaving? While signed up I got the email. Even if I try to verify myself right now, I should be getting that. So if I click on verify email, send verification email, a verification email should be sent. So reload the page. Yeah, I got the verification email. The only problem is that I'm not getting the verification email while signing in. This auth.ts is crazy. Okay, so auto signing, that is false by default, that's fine. Require verification email, that is true, fine. Send on sign up, true. Send on sign in, true. Auto sign in after verification, true. Expires in, true. I'm gonna be asking what GPT over here, bro. Why is this even happening? Yesterday it was working fine, today it's not working fine. The main problem is that I'm not able to send the email after signing in. So verification email is not, I don't even think I have my code. Yeah, now I have. Verification email isn't being sent after signing in. Okay, let's check this thing out. From the config you shared, send verification will only run during sign in if BetterAuth detects that email is not verified. So if you are signing in and a user whose email is verified is already treated as a verified BetterAuth no verification, that's fine. Checklist. Check that your database has email verified field. Okay, that means code is right. Come on. Require email verification, that is something I don't want. Behavior of auto sign. Send sign in true means if user signs in and is not verified, send email. It does not mean always send verification email after signing. Just a sec. I have made what over here? I have made auto sign in here. That's gonna be true. Okay. Calm down. Go through it one more properly. First of all, check your database has an email field. It has. Check your value email field. It has. Then behavior of send on sign in. Send on sign in true means if user signs in and is not verified, send verification email, fine. It does not mean always send verification email after sign, fine. And require email verification is not commented out if you want this workflow is not commented out. Send auto sign in. So check that requirements email verification is not commented out if you want to this workflow. Enable this. If requirement require email verification is false, they will sign in if unverified, but verification email will only send once. Oh, Zohab bro, how are you? Good to see you here. What's good, bro? Everything's great. Just the only thing is fixing that with in BetterAuth section. So require email verification is false. They will sign in even if unverified, right? But verification email will only send once on sign up. Send on sign in, auto sign in after iteration. That's okay. What this means, if unverified sign in triggers verification email, after clicking email link auto sign in happens. This only runs once until verified, that is right. If you are using testing repeatedly, if you are, what the hell, email verified states it, blah blah blah. Quick fix suggestion: if you want emails every sign in, not recommended. BetterAuth does not support. Okay, you sent me a link. Let me check that. I'm gonna be opening it on my laptop only. What is this? Monkey type. Not really, brother. Not possible for me. I'm sorry, can't really do that. Thank you very much for sending the link, but that's not possible. If email is not sent even when unverified, send a verification email. Good thing, I will be logging this thing over here, and if this log does not appear, then user is not already verified. Conclusion: ultimately it is simply saying that bro, your code is right. What else? Let's simply log the value here too. So, bro, 30 seconds. You are right, but in that 30 second, I will get my focus from here to there. CLG and email sent. Typing is not really my main goal in all. I don't even want to be really good at typing. An average person, I'm okay with that. You are outstanding with that, so I really appreciate. Email sent and it should be fine, right? Let's check this thing out. Gonna be giving it a try right now. So let's come back here, reload the page, send verification. Let's simply log out first of all, sign out, and from here I should be able to log in using the same email. So that's gonna be actually 123 password PASSWORD@1234. Let's click on remember me. Let's click on login and email. Okay, I'm logged in, and let's check has the email been sent. I don't think so. While signing it doesn't get sent. Alright bro, by the way, do you use all 10 fingers or one some specific one only? I use 9 fingers. I don't use this particular thumb for pressing. I just use this thumb all the time. So yeah. Though I have 10 fingers for typing, I use only 9. Crazy, but yeah. And let's check the log here. क्या दिक्कत है यार इस बेटा रात को? It is not triggering that. R2 sign in. Okay, इसको तो ठीक है, ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Let's check this thing now. Go to the better Auth documentation. Email verification. Let's click on this. Email verification. This. Okay, everything is right here. Require verification email for send. Require email verification. Okay, whenever I sign in, it needs to be required. Triggering manual verification. I can trigger it like this. That is also fine. Request password reset. इधर तो password reset आ गया. Before even that, I can click on sign in, and whenever I'm signing, okay, that's fine. On this page, enable email and password, enable true. Oh, like aren't you supposed to type fast if you are using all your 10 fingers? Cause I also use my all 10 fingers without looking at the keyboard, and my speed is 100W. But why is yours so low? Because I don't practice typing. As simple as that. It does not mean that if you are using 10 fingers, then your typing is gonna be around 100. For that thing, you need to practice a lot. Like if you have done that, I haven't done that, so mine is not. Mine is 50-60 around, and that is more than enough. Okay. Send on sign in, send on sign up. Again, I will go through this documentation. Come on, email, everything is right here, right? So let's click on guides. Is there anything important? Nothing. Blah 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 blah. Optimize blah blah. Okay, reference is here. Reference. Not really needed. Plugins. How hard was it to learn how to type with all your because they want to type faster. How hard was this? Yeah, I mean, you must already know that. Like whether I tell the hard thing or not, you are at 100 words per minute, so you already get the idea exactly how it actually starts. But yeah, initially it gets hard and then slowly it gets easy. And for you, it must have even harder. It's just like that. OpenAI, bearer, device authorization, captcha, have I been pawned last, multiplayer. Okay, these are the functionalities that we have that we can actually implement. Organization, API key, admin, sign in with Ethereum. Wow, passkey. I will be implementing all of them. But before that, before implementing all of them, I need to fix one thing that is not getting fixed right now. Authentication, concepts, client, cookies, hooks, sessions, user accounts, change email, confirm, verify password, adding authentication requirements. IDK, I learned it when it was 10 years old. That's amazing then. If you don't know the hard thing of learning it. User email, better auth, change email verification. I'm just simply sending the verification. But the fact is that yeah, people do find it hard. I found it hard for myself when I learned it for the first time. So I mean, different people have different perspective or different way of handling the things. Even if I found it hard, I learned it well enough. I think I'm good at this now. Enough, more than enough than I need. 50-60 is enough for me. Change email, user, blah blah blah. Delete user. Well, there are many features here. That's amazing that they are here. But authentication, callbacks, list users, tokens, account, force. Are you done with auth? Not done. This is just the starting. I'm enjoying better auth. Even I'm gonna be learning next auth. I have learned a passport authentication yesterday properly. Like I can use credentials as well as Google Auth and all. So yeah, learning about the authentication nowadays quite well. बट इसकी एक प्रॉब्लम है, ये साइन इन पे ईमेल क्यों नहीं भेज रहा? पागल है क्या ये? Send on sign in. I'm saying, let me comment other things. I'm gonna be commenting everything else. Not this one. I'm gonna be commenting send on sign up. Send on sign in is gonna be just okay over here. After learning this, are you gonna move to the building projects? I'm already building the projects. Kind of, not that much, but yeah, even that is going on in the background. Projects. I have a plan of building a clone of WhatsApp, and I want to build that for my resume, and I am learning WebRTC for that. That's what I mean. Full-time building projects. Full-time building project will not happen so soon unless I have learned DevOps section. So I want to cover the DevOps. After that, I will be building the projects full-time. Before that, meanwhile, like I will be building the projects. Mainly the clone of WhatsApp, I will make it, and I will add all the features. And that is gonna be my demo project where I will be showing that this is what I made using WebRTC and all. Just a sec. I'm gonna be signing in. Let me just type this email so that next time onwards. Okay, I got that. Here it is. PASSWORD@1234. Remember me. Sign in. भाई एक बार email आ जा तू. Seriously. Crazy. When I sign in, the user is not verified, right? Yeah, the user is not verified. Why am I not getting email? Okay, the question to the ChatGPT: if the user is not verified, how to? So auth and then WebRTC and then building WhatsApp clone while completing DevOps, then moving full time building projects. Yeah. That is the plan. You've summarized everything. That's right. How to send a verification link if the user is not verified while sorry, just suffering from this sneeze as well. Signing in. My nose gone. To send verification email, first of all, the user must not be verified. Yeah, condition 2. Wow. Sorry. The problem is that email only gets sent if I say require verification email. So at that time, as soon as I start signing in, at that time email will be sent automatically, and this needs to be true for signing in. Okay, come on, how could I miss this? I mean, this I wasn't missing, this was all, but this was printed. Auto sign gonna be false. Okay, I don't wanna auto sign in after what? After sign up. You will miss the learning era really much when you will get a job. I miss this time so much. You are making me miss it right now. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. But yeah, these days are actually amazing. Even finding you guys here, learning together, this is actually incredible. I will definitely miss this in future. Like, without any tension, I'm learning all the day, and I'm getting to know about you people. Such people who are actually done, who have done the things that I actually want to do. So yeah, this time is actually amazing for me. Require validation. Okay, this is gonna be true. Auto sign is gonna be false, and auto sign is also gonna be true over here. This time I should be getting the error, not error actually. I should be getting the email sent. So first of all, let me sign in. Again, let me log out, and let me sign in this time with the same VIP and ERA triple 123 and let's enter the password. The email must be sent. First of all, I will not be able to log in because I have said that verification is required. So as soon as I click on login, I'm gonna be getting the error over here, and that is email not verified, and that's great. And in my spam, not spam, here I got the email. I can click on the email, and the email is, what the hell, just a sec. I clicked on the email and I got verified automatically. Why didn't I get redirected to the verified page? Just a sec. I got verified, that is fine, but I should be redirected to the, let's check when I do sign in. Where is that sign in? Okay, sign in. Come on, yeah, so many. Let me collapse all the ones at the same time. Source, app, auth, sign in form. Okay, so what am I doing over here? Once the sign in actually gets done, so I'm redirecting the user to the dashboard. Okay, because of this particular thing, I'm not redirected to that particular page. But when the sign in gets done, I'm redirecting the user. This minimizing tab animation is so cool. Wow, glad to know that. I can even make it cooler, but for that thing I need to have time. I gotta watch some videos on Genome on YouTube, and then I'll be making it even better. I will be having a Apple theme. I'm gonna be having 3 colors over here, green, blue and red on the left side. That is possible. Everything is possible on Ubuntu. You can customize it just like Mac like. That's gonna be amazing. I will be doing it. Dashboard is here, and what I'm saying that bro, you have to inside lib auth.ts, and inside it I'm saying that auto sign in after verification. That's fine. It will be just auto signing in after verification, and once the verification is actually done, where am I redirecting the user? Once the verification is done, by the way, okay, got the email sent here. That's fine. And getting so many things. Let's remove this particular part from here. Not really needed, but somewhere remove this particular part. What's wrong with the network? Come on. Are you playing with me, network? Never mind. It just keeps behaving like this. Auto sign in after verification. That is true. I want to redirect the user to the email verified page. Where am I even making that? Crazy how the new year just started and Jan is coming to the end. Time is flying quickly, bro. True, that's right. Time flies really quickly. and that is the same thing happening here. The simple question is that after verification I'm redirecting the user to the verified page, and where have I defined that, or haven't I defined that? Call back for the email authentication recent, okay fine. Auth.ts, this is also fine, but where is that? First of all, I will be making it false, not forget about making it false right now. I'm missing one thing. Let's go here, better auth documentation. Let's go to concepts only, not concepts, user and accounts. User and accounts, okay fine, not here as well. Authentication, email and password, email verification, and send email verification and all, everything is fine. Just a sec, what is it? Avoid awaiting the email sending to avoid awaiting the email sending to prevent timing attacks on serverless platforms. Use wait until or similar to ensuring a sent. Wait until. Am I awaiting that? Let's even check that thing out. I'm not awaiting that, but okay. Okay, and triggering email manually when I trigger the email. Okay, got that. Sorry. I get this callback URL when I trigger the email manually. If I'm not triggering the email manually, this callback URL will not be there, and that is why I'm directly being redirected to the home page. Got this? And that's the same thing I've done over here. So when I actually trigger the email, and inside navbar I must have done that. So if I go to my navbar right now, navbar, user drop down, and below that I have my verifying the user. That is in the navbar, but not user drop down. Navbar, that is even not inside navbar, that is inside dashboard page. Dashboard page.tsx. Inside this I have my email verification alert. Let's click on this one, and inside this what am I doing? I'm doing nothing. And okay, I'm clicking on verify email. It is redirecting me to the /verify email. So let's go to the /verify email, recent verification email, and this is where I'm doing it. Like after COVID, it is more faster than ever. Is that so? Could be. I never think of these things that much. जब तक हो तो लगाओ. After that I'm done. By the way, this thing is fine. Set error, I'm just doing this. Let's uncomment this one as well. Apart from this particular thing, let's get rid of this. And error question is CLG result, and set loading false. What will I be getting in the result? Good question. And how will I make sure that I got an error? How will I be even setting an error? Again, good question. Yeah, really good question. But I don't know the answer. Let's check the result out, exactly what I get in the result. Sign out. This time I will be using another email. Let's see how many emails I have in my database. 3. Okay, I will be using a different one. Why am I not able to sign out? Okay, interesting. Reload the page. Sign. Okay, fine. There was some kind of bug, never mind. Then the next thing is that I'm gonna be signing up with the new email. That's fine. Not this one, yeah. Email should be right, so that I'm actually getting the verification link, right? So for getting the right email, which one will I be using? This is the benefit of having many emails over here. Answer Singh Patel, let's use that. So AMCHL Answer Singh Patel 999@gmail.com. Bro, are you doing a DSA as well? Not really possible, bro. Seriously, all the day, like the whole time gets spent here as well. I do want to learn that. It's not like I'm scared of that. Right now I'm not scared of anything actually. I can learn the DSA. I have the confidence. But the thing is that I need the time for that, right? I'm already managing so many things at the same time. Adding DSA will be really hard, especially right now. I'll do that anyhow, someday or the other. But it's gonna take some time. DSA thing. Triple thing. Triple nine. Okay, this should be fine. Bro, you are 22 years old, right? Bro, more than that. As per my Aadhaar card, yes. In reality, no. Okay, security, not security thing. Spam. Email verification email, I got this error, that's fine. And apart from this particular thing, what was the result that I actually got? Email sent successfully. Oh, okay, fine. Let's log in. Why is that people age in IRL is more but less in ID card? Thanks to my teacher, I was just a child. I had no way to even stop it. They did that, so it happened. They thought it would be good for me. I don't know whether it's good for me or not. But okay, never mind. It mostly happens because of the teachers and all. Because of, yeah. It was, in my case, it was because of my teacher. I can just simply email not verified. This is not the email that I'm working with. VIP, not even VIP. ALCH. This one, what is the email right now? This one, login. IRL, you much old are you? IRL means? First of all, tell me, what does that mean before even telling me more? Let's stop this requirement email. Let's click on login. In real life, you are much old, are you? Yeah, I am. I look like just a boy, but I am not. How do I look like? Let me have a look at myself. Yeah, if I just shave myself, then I'm gonna be just a boy. Don't ask for the age. 24. I what? I spent lots of time even in teaching. So I was in Satna. I was teaching English. I taught English. After dropping my college, I kept teaching English for 2 to 3 years. And after dropping my teaching English for 2 to 3 years, then I thought of learning coding, and then I started learning coding and all. So yeah, many things I experienced. Good life. I mean, long life. Verification email. Yeah, I am. You look like 20 or 22 max. Thank you. Maybe because I'm slim or something. I need to work on my body. Having said that, and I will be working on soon. Okay, so I'm getting it here, and right now if I click on this button, okay, this thing is done. Let's see. Alrighty, and as just a sec, yaar, what is happening? Verification email, my okay, over here I'm sending the email, right? So how will I be checking whether there's any error? So I can do one thing, easy peasy manner. Let's keep this thing inside a try catch block, as simple as that. So try catch block, remove the result, and set loading is gonna be false. As for the error, I will be setting the error over here. Any problem? Of course there is a problem. Unknown error dot message. Any problem? The problem. Okay. Error instance of if capital error, I mean class of course, not capital error. In that case, I will be just returning error dot message. Otherwise, I'll stringify the error and I will return the error. Now fine. Of course, it is fine. So I'm gonna be doing this. Anything else? Nothing as such. Set success. So by default set success is gonna be false, and bro, it can be string. Will I be getting result as well from here? C const result, and just after that clg. It only happens when it happens. Email and result. Let's check that thing out as well, whether I'm gonna be getting it here or not, because I do need to have the result as well. I cannot make it false, that is null by default, so that's fine. I can make it null anyway, just like this, and I have to set this here. I don't think I will be getting it, so I can do one thing. CLG, or come on, CLG set success, and that's gonna be email verified or sent. Good question. That would be email verification email sent successfully. Verification email sent successfully. I hope it will be just like that. Let's see what's gonna be the result over here. Even I'm logging the result over here, so things should be fine. So I have to just click on that verification link again. Interesting. Home page, verify email, click on this. Verification email sent successfully. Interesting. Thank you. I'm getting that. And once I got that, then what I can do, I can go here and I can reload the page. That's again there. I can refresh the page. That is not called reloading, and I'm not even refreshing the page. I'm refreshing that particular part only. I can click on this, and I'm going to be signed in automatically. So email verified. Go to dashboard. I'm on the dashboard. I'm not getting that particular thing over here. Overall things are great. Let's continue moving forward. Again, I have to just add everything else over here. Many things are remaining, and then I have to work on Google Auth and all. So one more thing. Email. Did I get anything here? Email. Verification email sent successfully. That's fine. And nothing else. That means it is never ever getting printed. I mean, never ever getting logged. This particular thing. Why? Because there is no result. And if there is no result, it will not be printed. But it should be printed. Email should be printed. Control F and email, capital email. So email, email. Email sent successfully. This is not the one. Then email, not getting that. Maybe because of some reason. Never mind. That's not even required, because even in the docs they have not mentioned it. So why am I mentioning it here? Overall, this is how I'm getting the thing done. And after this, what do I need to do? This thing is done. Let's work on the things from the starting. Now I will be just getting the things done one by one, so that I exactly know what to do next, because there are so many things. So first of all, inside app I have my auth. Inside my auth I have sign up, sign in done. Reset password, forgot password. These are the two options over here. But even before that, should I use them? I can use them, that is for sure. But before even using them, I want to go inside my main, inside my admin, and I want to show the admin information, like whether you are an admin or not. Right now I'm just showing that by default. Okay, so kind of I have page.tsx, and inside that check admin role, and on the basis of that thing you have administrator access and delete application. Okay, if I go here, click on admin, is there no page? Oh, server is not running, sorry. npm run dev. Oh, just a sec, give me a moment as well. Never mind, let's continue. So I'm gonna be here and reload the page. Let me open what's up. Alrighty. So in the admin section, I'm getting these many things. Alrighty, let's continue. So the first thing that I actually have to do, and that is I want to show the user information here. Am I not gonna be able to do this? So there should be the right information. The right information is not here, so I have to just get that thing done, and then later I will work on the remaining things. So in that case, I will have to go to my profile information. That means I will have to go to my dashboard, and if I want to go to my dashboard, and then dashboard, page.tsx, and just in here I have many things. First of all, I should go to the top, and once I'm here, first of all I'm getting the user information. Once I got the user information, dashboard, welcome back, and email verification alert, to do use actual user data. That is what I want to use. For using actual user data, this is the profile information. I have to send the user is gonna be equals to my hands, fingers are numb right now, it's cold. User is gonna be equals to user. It will be getting user data, and as for the type of that particular user, so user is gonna be user. Where will it come from? It will come from the better auth side, so I don't need to worry about it. What is the problem here? Problem. The expected type comes from the user, which is declared on the type instance, and user declared. Wait. The ID undefined is not assignable to type this. It is simply saying that user can be undefined. Then what will you do? User can be undefined. Okay, so I will mainly be checking the user here. Simple. Now will I be still getting that error? No, I'm not getting that error. What is the problem here now? It is saying that duplicate identifier. Okay, got it. Let's remove this particular thing from here, and right now it is fine. And role, good question. That role is not defined here. I have added role from my on side. I have to change the types. Okay, as I added the role from my on side, so they are simply saying role does not exist on type ID blah 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 blah. Why is this happening? Mainly because in my schema, if I show you my schema Prisma, over here this role was added from my side. It was not from the which side? It was not from the better auth side. So I have to work on it. So let's go through the website of better auth, and let's search ROLE. I hope they will give something. Role optional, role, updating role. Let's click on this one. Hope to get something. Organization, member hooks, organization. ये नहीं चाहिए था मुझे. Before member remove, member ये हो गया, वो हो गया. कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल रहा, but never mind. Update, delete organization. I'm not worried about even organization right now. Fields, extra type. Let's talk about the types here. So TIPs, yes, types. Add the plugin to your auth config. How can I actually do that? How can I add the types? I know it does exist over here, but for that I will have to go through the whole documentation. I have even done it, but with the help of the teacher, and this time I want to do it on my own. And if I want to do it on my own, then keep going through the documentation. You can do it, Dipendra. Cover. Sorry for the sneeze. Just suffering a lot. Not a lot, but yeah, just suffering. Nothing useful I'm getting here. That means it is definitely not here. So I can click on get started. Comparison, basic usage in my wow, what an animation. Social sign in, sign outs, client use session, get session, server side use plugins, server configuration, 2-factor. Okay, use plugins, 2-factor. Arey wow, you can use this plugin 2-factor first of all here, and then you can first of all you have to do this, and then inside server configuration. कहाँ गया यार, अभी यहीं पे था, कुछ तो मैंने देखा. Ultimately plugin use कर सकते हो, and after using the plugin you can yeah, here it is, you can define the configuration and all. Great, 2-factor authentication. लेकिन ये सब तो मिला, लेकिन जो मुझे चाहिए था वो नहीं मिला. Installation, install, create, configure, create, authentication, mount and create and mount and nothing is it. Comparison, self-hosted, blah blah blah. Introduction, MCP, nothing here. Okay, nothing is here. Concept, API, API निकालना है. CLI, client, cookies, database, email, hooks, plugins, auth, rate, limit, session, TypeScript. Yeah, good job. Compiler options, strict true. Okay, let's go through. Better Auth is designed to be type safe. Both the client and server are built with the TypeScript, allowing you to easily infer types. Strict mode. Better Auth is designed to work with TypeScript strict mode. We recommend enabling strict mode in your TypeScript file. Like TS config में मुझे इसको करना है enable. So let's go to the TS file. Control C, and if you can't set strict to true, you can enable strict null checks. Okay, first of all, let me even do that. TS config file, here it is. Oh my god, strict is already true here, so I don't need to worry about it inside that. Fine. Then infer typings, that is what I wanted. So for that thing, create auth client, type session, type of auth client infer session. Fine. And then this is for client side, and this is for the server side. I'm inferring the session over here. Okay, am I using something? This is what I wanted, man. First of all, inside my user, I want to add a field. The field is gonna be role. The type of that field is gonna be string, and input is gonna be by default. That means user cannot make it true. As simple as that. Let's do it. So for that thing, Control K W, close everything. This is the shortcut, Control K W. And then I can go here in my inside my source, inside my lib, inside my auth.ts, and just do this. And what they are saying, they are simply saying that inside better auth you have to create something called user. By the way, database I have, email section I have, email verification section I have, even this section I have. But here I want to do what? I want to add one more field. Fine, what do you want to do in that field? Network issue. Am I facing the network issue? Let me check. Come on, network, you should not be a problem for me. I'm using 5G after all. Okay, so additional FIELDS, additional fields. Okay, what is the problem with this now? It is saying that, bro, you have to keep it inside database. I said I'm sorry, I have to keep it inside my database, just here, over here. That's fine. That's really bad actually. Is that fine? Not yet. That should be fine now. I have database. Inside my database I have this new database. कुछ तो मिस हो रहा है. Control C Z, not CC. And now better auth, I have my database, and then I have whole thing here. Just below database I need to have it, right? Yeah, just below your database. Fine, so I'm kind of having it here. So what is the problem? User, and just like this I will be having this here. So far so good. And just below that I will be having additional fields. Just not like this. Additional FIELDS, additional fields. and then inside that I will have a role, and role will be like this. There will be type will be string, and there will be input is gonna be false. Great. What is the thing? Misspelled. Additional, that was the problem. Now fine. So ultimately I've added this. Once this thing actually got added, then I will be inferring my session, and I will be inferring my user as well. So let's infer the session. Getting a call, that means I'll have to pick that up. Just a minute. Alright everybody, actually that's kind of important, so I'll have to just leave right now. I'll be coming back soon.